Alright, what is up, guys? I am back. It is 40 degrees after work, so I thought it would be nice to ride again. I'm out here in like lights, a light shirt, some little pants. It's nice, actually. It's 40 degrees, but it's nice compared to the winter. I'm gonna get him down this year. It's coming out. Missed that feeling. Woo! That was weird. Oh, I haven't felt that in a long time. That's weird. Woo! Lots of rear brake today. Ow. Down right on the ice. Holy. Ah. Wow. I could do this on the ZX6R. That is pretty sick. I like that. Now I can just turn up my idle anytime I want. We're gonna try it once. So it's like that. We're gonna see if it makes a difference in the throttle. Oh, it definitely does. Why does this car keep on going back and forth, back and forth? Like, dude, pick away. See, I am getting better. And my first instinct is to always hit the rear brake, which is good. Whew. So I'm definitely still progressing. That was a good one. I think that was the best one so far today. At least I'm staying on the bike. These gloves are super grippy. I love it. Shout out to Stunt Daily and Sick Shop. But I think that is it for today. Thank you guys as always for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to share. I'm at 65 followers on YouTube and 800 on Instagram. So keep sharing it to your friends. Keep just watching my videos. Really, like, you know, I do it because it's entertaining, and I love to show you guys, you know, how much fun I actually do have on my bikes. So thank you, and until next time.